This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 versus the iPhone X or the iPhone 10, whatever you want to call this phone. Now this is the second time I'll be doing a speed test between these two phones. The difference this time being that the Note 8 I recently received the Android 8.0 Oreo OTA. Now this is a US unlocked version, so the OTA was delayed a little bit, but I finally got it the other day. So this Note 8 is now rocking Android 8.0 Oreo with the Samsung Experience 9 UI. And the iPhone 10, this one is rocking iOS 11.3. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on the iPhone 10, and I'm gonna clear out the background on the Note 8. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Messages. Ooh, pretty close. Camera on both. Ooh, pretty close. I think that was the Note 8 on that one. Calculator. Very close. The clock on both phones. Ooh, maybe the 10 on that one. Go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Play Store and App Store, go. And give that to the Note 8. Go ahead and search for Lyft on both phones. Leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. And ooh, very close, I think maybe the Note 8, not sure. Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna click on this laptop. Leave it on that page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Note 8. The speed test app. I put both on the same server. Go ahead and start the test with the 10 first. Check out the scores for yourself. The internet browsers on both, Samsung browser on the Note 8 and Safari on the iPhone 10, go. Okay, go ahead and search for Amazon. Let's go. And looking at the progress bar, give this to the Note 8. Go ahead and scroll on both, give you an idea of the scrolling experience. And Safari really limits you, whereas on Android, very fast and smooth. Amazon full site. Go ahead and click on this hat. Looking at the progress bar, I think that was the 10. Pinch to zoom on both to give you an idea of the fluidity of the browsers. Leave it on that page. Mario Run. Note 8's loading. And the Note 8 taking this game. Tap to begin on both and close it out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Iceland, loading on the Note 8, loading on iPhone 10, and the iPhone 10 with the comeback. Go ahead and tap to play, close this game. Temple Run 2. Blazing Sands. Oh, hella close. We'll see who's faster right now. And woo, that's a tie, straight up. Wow, so close. Go ahead and play on both and close the game out. Angry Birds 2. And the Note 8 starting up and logging in. And the Note 8's ahead, followed by the iPhone 10. Will the 10 catch up? And the Note 8 taking this one. Going to close this out. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And the iPhone 10 slightly ahead on this one. Go ahead and close out the game. Csr Racing 2. I'm hearing noise from the Note 8 right now. And the Note 8 taking this game. Close it out. Twitter on both phones. Give that to the Note 8. And a little bit of a lag here on the 10. And Snapchat. Note 8 again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both devices. Everything's in the background as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Twitter on both. Csr Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both devices. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play. Angry Birds 2. Ready to play as well. Temple Run 2. Ready to resume on both. Subway Surf. And ready to resume on both phones. Mario Run. And I think we have is this a reload on 10? What's going on with the 10? Okay, I think it was continuing the game, but still a little bit of a lag. The internet browsers on both. And right where we left it off, still at the same place. The speed test app, still at the same place. Adobe Acrobat Reader, still at the same place. eBay, still at the same place, although the 10 had to reload the picture. Play Store and App Store, and still at the same place on the Note 8, and a reload on the iPhone 10. The clock on both phones, still running the clock. The calculator, still at the same place. Camera, there you go. Messaging, a little bit of a reload on the right, and the phone app, reload on the right. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this classic matchup between Samsung and Apple. Are you an Apple ice sheep rocking the iPhone 10 with this notch up top? Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking the new S9, S9 Plus? Or are you still sticking with the Note 8? Are you rocking an S8 and S8 Plus? These phones having alien tech such as the infinity displays, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.